Definitely beneath zero outside last night, but inside above zero. It was just about warm enough. Morning. The sun is taking its sweet time to reach my valley this morning, so I've got a rest day planned in Bitola. So I took the opportunity to have a lie-in, 2 coffees. No need to strip off and put on my cycling clothes because I'm not cycling today really, so I'm still in all my 17 million layers. So I'm going to head back down into the town and just chill in the sunshine in the pedestrian precinct of Bitola, eat some burek, soak up some sun and be lazy for a day. It's very difficult to do one-handed. Bitola Bazaar was interesting, not perhaps as charismatic as the one in Skopje, but interesting for a little ride around. The fruit and veggie market was a lot more fun to explore. I stocked up on some goodies since I'm in the city, so I'm all set for the next couple of days right ahead. Got some cheese stuffed capsicum and pickled veggies off the guy at this stall, and some really delicious olives off the lady who offered me the most expensive ones first. It was very clever. Have you seen these? It's like a disinfected doorway. When you walk in, you get sprayed. This one's outside the pharmacy, which I suppose is a good place to put one. Massive golden iconostasis in the church here in Bitola. And more Roman ruins. This is so weird. There's signposts that lead to gated off dead ends, and then there's footpaths which require you to walk over the Roman walls. So weird. This is probably a mosaic that they have to keep hidden under gravel from the elements. It looks like Bulgaria is about to go into lockdown 2 or 3 days before Greece is due to come out of lockdown, and Bulgaria is my route into Greece. I'm not complaining because while I'm not in lockdown in Macedonia, I'm one of the very, very fortunate few. But it does beg the question, where am I going to go? I've nearly run out of Macedonia to cycle through. I could go north into, is it Serbia? But I don't really want to go north. Where shall I go? What shall I do?